These 6 AI tools will definitely change your life. If you think I'm lying, watch the video to the end and then decide if I'm a liar like the fake gurus on YouTube, or if you should subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my new uploads. Let's get into the video. There has been a whole lot of updates in the AI space this week, and in today's video I'm going to show you 5 newest AI tools that you can use right now to either start making money immediately, help your productivity, that you can start using to build applications, or whether applications for the web or for phones, smartphones, whatever type of application. You don't have to code anything. Image generators, video generators, and applications that you can use to design app designs, website designs, whatever it is. Today I'm going to cover all those apps, 5 of them, in this video. And this video is just going to be straight to the point. I'm not going to waste your time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you just subscribe now so you don't miss any of my my new videos. Now, the first app I'm going to be talking about in this video is a large language model. It's called GLM-4.5, and that's their latest model, and it is, you can find it on Z.ai. I'll leave all the links in the description so you can see how amazing this large language model is. Today I'm going to be comparing this model with the latest ChatGPT 5 model, which is absolutely mind-blowing. I don't even want to spoil the video for you, but I'm just going to tell you how I'm going to compare this model GLM 4.5 with ChatGPT 5, and also with Qwen 3, because a whole lot of people do not know about Qwen 3, which is the Alibaba's AI large language model that does a whole lot of things. It could generate videos for you, it could generate images, it could code, it could build apps, whatever it is you want it to do, it could do that for you. Now, first of all, let's just try this GLM 4.5 model. Now, if you on the website, you would just see a simple dashboard like this, simple page like this, and you can literally just tell it, just like ChatGPT, you can literally tell it whatever you want. So I came here and I told GLM 4.5 what I want. So I said I want to create a health and fitness tracker app that tracks eating, workouts, and fitness, fitness, sleep, weights. Puts the entire code for the app in a standalone HTML file. If you watched my previous video, I did something similar with a platform called Base44. Now, Base44 is a really good platform to generate no-code apps. I'll also show you the results I got with that app there in my older video. If you haven't watched it, I hope you just go and watch that video after this one, so you can follow step by step on how that platform works. But today I'm going to cover ChatGPT 5, the latest model of ChatGPT, this GLM 4.5 and Qwen 3. Now, as I inputted the prompt, this is the app that it gave me. You can see this is the dashboard that it gave me. You can see the preview here. If I click on code, you can see the code. It took a few minutes to generate the code, maybe close to 2 minutes. Meanwhile, ChatGPT 5.0, the latest model of ChatGPT, took around 10 minutes or more to generate the entire application. So you're going to see the comparison between this application that GLM 4.5 generated and the one that ChatGPT, the latest ChatGPT 5, generated, so you can compare and see which one is better. Now, this is the code here. You can see the code here. It's a whole lot of code. If I click on preview now, this is the app. You have the dashboard, you have food and nutrition, you can add food, you can add the type of food. This app is absolutely amazing. You can literally deploy it now or sell it now and start making money immediately. You do not have to code anything. You don't have to know about front end, back end, whatever it is. You just deploy this app and it works perfectly. You can see, you can add the food name, you can add the calories, you can add breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, the protein, the fat. You save the food inventory. Once you save it, it's going to save in the catalog. You can add your workouts, the types of workout you did. If I click here, you can see cardio, exercise name. If I click on cardio, you can see strength training, yoga, sports, others. You can see the app, the fitness app, is really top notch. It's something that you can get from from Android or from iOS. This app is actually mind blowing. I was actually surprised that it could deliver such an app for me in a very short time. It took less than 2 minutes for it to code this entire application. You can see weight. You can see you can add my weight when I started the tracking, and then I can get my final weight after tracking. Now, this is the app. Besides this, it does a whole lot. of other things. You can see it could generate slides for you, so you can just give it an information about what you want, the kind of slide you want, and it will generate slides with actual images, not just slides with only text. That's ChatGPT or Gemini does. It could generate slides with perfect imagery. Now this is the fitness app that I generated. Now the next one is what ChatGPT generated for me. You can see ChatGPT, you can see the lines of code. I asked ChatGPT the same, I gave ChatGPT the same prompts. I said, create a health and fitness tracker app, blah, 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 blah. ChatGPT asked me a few questions afterwards when he was coming up with the framework. And then I told it to put the entire app in a standalone HTML file. But after a few codes, it would come back to ask me some more questions. So he asked me a few questions about 2 or 3 times before he finally outputted the application or the food the health and fitness tracker app. Now once you click on run code, the good thing with GPT-5 is that you can have your code at this widget here, this space here, and you can have this is the canvas where it would show you the code or the final application. So if I click on run code, you can see here, this is the app that ChatGPT gave me. Absolutely mind-blowing. The colors and the design is really good. The other one was also good with the design, but it was just it kept it plain and simple, which is what we should have. But this ChatGPT took it a step further to add gradients and stuff. If I click on meal, you can see I can add the name of the meal, I can add the calories, I can add protein, I can add fats, I can add date and time, I can save, I can add my workout, I can add my sleep, my weight, all of that, and I can export this as well as a CSV file. So this is absolutely mind-blowing what ChatGPT did. It took a longer time to generate the application, but it generated a really good application. The other one as well is actually fine. I don't know how the both of them compare. You can leave your thoughts in the comment section so you can tell me which app you think is better from the features and everything. They're a bit similar, but design-wise they're not. Now I'll show you Base44. This is the app that Base44 gave me that I did in the last video. Now you can see this is the dashboard. You can see sleep quality, sleep duration. This is workout sessions, daily calories. I can log sleep, add workouts, log in meal. You can see sleep analysis. You can see the details here. You can see the fitness tracking, and I gave it exactly the same prompt, similar prompts. Now this is the app that Vital Track gave me, but for some reasons I think it did not complete the code, because if I click on, let's say I click on log sleep here, I can log sleep, I can do whatever I want with the other apps. But if I go on fitness tracking and I click here, you can see it took me to this 404 error page, and I have to just refresh the page all over again for me to have my app back. I know I can literally just tell it to, okay, fix the code or fix the errors and tell it the errors, but that is a longer process. And ChatGPT and GLM, they gave me a fully functional app without me having to fix any errors, which is amazing. Now the other apps that I'm going to be talking about in this video are, they're actually 6. I forgot and I said 5. They're actually 6. Is Ideogram. Now Ideogram just released their latest character model. Now if you've always wanted to create AI influencers, which is actually gaining a whole lot of traction now in the social media world, you can literally use Ideogram. I know we all know Ideogram is for they're very good with generating logo designs and stuff like that, but now they're really good with generating images. In their last Ideogram 2.0 update I did sometime last year, they did amazing with their latest model in image generation, like photorealistic image generation. Now they just updated their model, and you can now do generate characters. Now what do I mean? I can upload an image of the face I want to use, or a character. I'll call it the character because that's what they call it. Now this, I've uploaded 2 different characters, and now I can use these characters to generate any type of image in any scene. So if I want to start creating influencer pages, this is what I'll do. I'll use Ideogram, generate the images, and then I can use any other video generator to animate it. But most times they just have pictures on the profile, and you cannot tell the difference between the AI agents and the AI characters or AI models and real humans. It is absolutely insane, and they are making a whole lot of money. Like Kaitana or whatever her name is, that has been making a whole lot of money since the release of AI models. Now you can see I used the first and the second characters, and I generated this image. As you can see, it is spot on the exact character. You can see this model here. You can see this is her here in different scenes. You can see amazing, did perfectly well with the facial features. It did not change the character at all. You can see the only mistake is if I go onto this image, you can see her fingers are a little bit messed up. That's just the only error here. If I go on to the next character here, you can see it did amazing as well. The same character consistency. It is absolutely insane, the capabilities of the latest Ideogram model. Now, the other applications I talked about in the other video is Lovart. I used this platform to generate full brand identity for a brand. So this does more than that. You can literally use this to create app interfaces, website interfaces, website designs, graphic designs, illustrations, photos, videos, AI animations, whatever it is. You can actually use this platform for that. You can see here they have a whole lot of features. You can see they can use this for a whole lot of things. You can see this is video, this is images, these are images, these are illustrations. There are a whole lot of ways that you can use this platform. It is absolutely amazing, and you get 900 credits daily for free. It is absolutely insane. You can generate videos, you can generate images with the latest image generation and video generation models. You can also use this to design whatever you want to design. So like I went in depth in my previous video. You should watch that video if you don't you want to get an in-depth workflow on how to use this platform. Also Qwen, if you watched the last video, I showed the capabilities of Qwen, but they have an image generator, they have a video generator. Their video generator is actually good. It's not on par with things like Alibaba AI, Runway Generation 4, Generation 3, and the rest, the Sora and the rest. But it is actually good. It generates actually good videos and images for a free platform. Now, I give this model, this is owned by Alibaba. I gave this model a prompt and asked it to generate me images. And the thing about this this model is, besides image generation, it does a whole lot. You can generate video, like I've said. Now, it is really good with text. A lot of other image generators out there, they are really bad with text. They would fumble the text. This is not that image generator. It would get the text spot on, no matter how much text you have in the prompt that you want in the video. It would get it spot on. You can see here, I generated different images with different texts. It got it spot on. Let's start with this one, futuristic haven. Look at the prompt. The photorealistic scene of a beautiful African model with purple hair in a cyberpunk scene. She's standing at the pool next to a futuristic architectural building, blah blah blah. And I made sure that I asked it to impute futuristic haven cafe in the building. You can see it got it perfectly. Futuristic haven cafe, no errors whatsoever. You can see even in the reflection in the swimming pool, it almost got the exact spelling. But you know, there are ripples in the water, so the spelling won't be correct even in real life. So I tried another image. You can see here the text in the image is Cyber Tokyo 2087. You can see it here. It got it spot on, and it is also good with other languages. It's not just English. It is absolutely amazing, the capabilities of this image model. You can see here, you can see the image. You got it Cyber Tokyo 2087. Now this one is a complex one in a library with the design. Knowledge is power. You can see the text here. Amazing. Knowledge is power. Hangs from the ceiling in the elegant cursive font. Whatever you want, whatever kind of image you want, you could literally get it with this image generator in here, right here in Qwen 3. Now this is Qwen 3. There's Qwen 2. That's the older model. This Qwen 3 just came out a few weeks back. You can now use it absolutely for free. You can see the other image generations that I did. He got everything spot on, the text spot on, no errors whatsoever. You can see this one is a more complex one. Joe's Diner, homemade pie all day. He got it spot on. It is absolutely insane. Now, you can try all these tools completely for free. You don't even have to pay anything. It is absolutely mind blowing. Now, this is all I have for you for this week. I hope you like and you subscribe, and so you don't miss my other videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.